So in order for you to make a Facebook ads, there's actually a structure to it. Okay, you need to set your campaign objective. All right, then you need to set your ad set. Okay, this is where all your budget will your budget is no longer here, your budget is actually here. Okay, but I will get that into details. Okay, so your ad set, okay, this is where you set your audience, your placement, your scheduling. Okay, then you have to create your ad. This is where you include your copywriting, image or video. So in order for you to make a Facebook ads, you need to go through all these stages. All right, this structure. Okay, so number one, we are talking about campaign objective. So a lot of people out there, they downplay the importance of campaign objective. Now, campaign objective, selecting the best option is very, very critical, because you are telling Facebook what type of audience behavior that you want. Okay, if you want people to like your page, then there is a certain objective. If you want people to interact with you, to send you messages, all right, to visit your website, there is also a certain objective that you have to choose. If you are looking for people who love to buy online, okay, purchase online, then you need to choose a certain option. So I'm going to show you. Okay, all right. So as you can see here on your left side, okay, this is where the stage or the structure you are in, the structure level. Okay, this is where you're going to make your options. Okay, so we start from the top and all the way down. Okay, always create a new campaign. All right. Then after that, okay, as you can see awareness, consideration and conversion. So Facebook already break down what the stages that they might think that Facebook users are in. So at the same time also, this is to tell you that what type of results that you are looking for, okay, or behavior that you're looking for. So like I said, awareness basically is just putting your offer out there, promote your business presence out there, and that's it. And the result that we are looking at, the behavior that we are looking at, is actually just likes. That means if you choose any of this campaign under awareness, all right, you are telling Facebook, please show my ads to people who has the behavior of liking pages, and that's it. All right. So under consideration, this is where this is where most of the campaigns that you see in your own Facebook newsfeed are happening. Right. We have traffic, we have engagement, we get app install, video views. This is where I'm talking about messages. Okay. Why this training is about messages? Because I'm in a way that I'm telling Facebook, okay, please show my ads to people who has been messaging Facebook pages for the past 6 months. So as you can see here, an action between like and sending messages. I think sending messages is more qualified to be your sales, because they are looking for something, they are asking about something, they are inquiring about something. That's the reason why this training is about how to make Facebook messages for your business. All right. Okay. Another advantages of running a Facebook messages campaign is that people don't have to leave Facebook and go to your website, and it saves time. Because when people click your ad and the ad leads them to the website, and they have to waste time, for the website to load. But in this case, if they want something, they want to know something, they just click your ad and it goes straight to your Facebook page inbox, and that's where you can start building a relationship. You can start inquiring, entertain their inquiries, and hopefully you can get sales. So that's the reason why I love Facebook messaging campaign. So we are doing that. Okay, so if you are running e-commerce, all right, this is where you should be looking at, because we want to show our ads to people who has the behavior of purchasing online for the past 6 months. Okay, so all you need to do right now, okay, you're going to click on messages. Okay, click, and an option will appear soon, as you can see here. Alright, so naming your campaign is very critical for me, because I've been making Facebook ads since 2014, and I spent almost like $250,000 for the past 4 years on my own account and also other people's account, because as you know, I also provide Facebook ads services for other businesses as well. So campaign name, usually I would like to put month, then the objective, then the purpose. Okay, so it's for example, this is April. Okay, April 2020. Okay, messages. Okay, and what is the purpose. The objective of this campaign. Are you going to promote your stay home meal, your cleaning services, whatever it is. So at least I know what this campaign is all about, because if you do Facebook ads for a long time, all right, there's going to be a lot of campaign, and if you do not name them properly, you don't know this campaign belongs to which month. Okay, so maybe I'll just put offer 20%, for example. Okay, so click copy. Okay, the reason why I copy, because when we are going to the next level here at set, I need to have the same name.